Let's look at the improvement and the increase in COVID vaccination coverage in the United States on a per state basis. So as we move through the data, this comes from our world of data. On the x-axis, we see how many shots are being, how many people are being vaccinated per million. And on the vertical axis, we can see how many people per 100 are fully vaccinated. So we would hope, as we have seen, that this graph moves up and to the right, more people are being vaccinated, and then more people are fully vaccinated. The performance by state varies a little bit though, and you can see that here. This is a log-log plot, so it's actually trying to make the differences bigger. And we can see that there are some states that are doing a low vaccination per million, and they also have relatively low vaccination overall, right? If you're in the bottom part here, it means that you're behind the other states in your overall vaccination rates, and if you're on the left side, you're trailing in vaccinations per million, which means you're not going to catch up. You have other states over here which are moving forward. Maybe they have relatively high vaccination rates. They're trying to move up to get a higher percentage that are vaccinated. And you have other states and islands, territories, that actually are doing pretty well trying to get a high vaccination rate. If we do a linear plot, and so this is 0 to 70% to 80% linear, 0 to 80% coverage linear, you can see that we really have a long way to go if we're looking for a 70, 80% coverage, or even 50. That's where we end up. This chart should look identical. If we zoom in, you see the same states. The only difference on these two charts is one tried to show you exacerbate the improvement, exaggerate it a little bit so you could see it. That was the other chart, and this one shows you on a flat rate where we're really at.